Alright everyone, we're back. We're back in the front row of Kraken. We got no shoes on this time. Woohoo! Nico's paint job looks really nice.
Hey.
Woohoo! He's the cement guy! It's a little slower than I remember. Watch your head! Shaping on that corkscrew was really smooth. Like you can see the kink when it really like twists into it. But then it feels so smooth through it.
Unfasten your seatbelt and wait for instructions from the attendant. Thank you.
That's interesting. Probably in the middle of building it.